Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create customized documents in Google Docs on form submission. So the idea here is that whenever you receive a response through the form submission into your JotForm account, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new document should be created into your Google Docs. For this, we need to create a connection or a link between JotForm and Google Docs so that whenever the form is filled and the response is received, automatically using the details of the form responses, a new document is created into the Google Docs. So in this integration, we are using JotForm to capture the form responses. So in place of JotForm, we can even use Google Forms, Pabbly Form Builder, Typeform or any other form building software application to capture the form responses, and we can create the integration. So how we are going to create an integration between JotForm and Google Docs, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time, that how this complete process works automatically. So this is the appointment letter form which I have created using JotForm, where I have asked for the candidate name, its post and the reporting date. And this is the template which I have created in my Google Docs, and this is my Google Drive folder named appointment letters. So now I want that whenever this particular form is filled, automatically all the details should be entered here in this particular template, and a new document should be saved here into my Google Drive. Okay, so I'm just going to fill the form over here. Let's give the candidate name as Adam Smith. I'm just going to select the post as PHP developer, and let's select the reporting date, and let's give the date as 11th of January 2022, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so now let us check our Google Drive folder, and here we can find a new document named Adam Smith along with some submission ID. I'm just going to open it. Okay, and here we can see a new appointment letter of Adam Smith. Here we can find the current date. Dear Adam Smith, good day. I am pleased to appoint you for the position of, here we can find the PHP developer position. You are expected to report to the office on 11 January 2022. Here we can find the reporting date. So in this way we can see that a correct document is generated here in our Google Drive. Okay. So here you might be wondering that I just filled the form details over here, and automatically using all those details and the template, a new document is generated into the Google Drive. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between JotForm and Google Docs, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating JotForm with Google Docs automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the form submission, and using all those details, automatically a new document will be created into the Google Docs. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create the integration between JotForm and Google Docs using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. So this is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as JotForm to Google Docs Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the form details to be captured from Jot form. So open this trigger window. Here in the Choose app, let us find Jot form. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read the instructions. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for the webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. Okay, so I'll just take you to my Jot form. So these are the forms which I have created in my Jot form account. So here we can see a new form, that is appointment letter, where we can see 0 submissions. So I'm just going to open this particular form. So this is the appointment letter form which I have created. Fill this form to automatically generate appointment letter for the selected candidate. Okay, here I have asked for the candidate first name and last name, its post or the position, and the reporting date. Okay, if you want to add some more elements to this particular form, you can click on this plus sign, add form element, and you can add some more elements or fields as per your requirement. Okay, here we have to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect. For that, come to the settings tab. And here we can find integrations option. Simply click on integrations. And here in the search bar, we have to search for webhooks. Now it is asking to add a webhook. So we'll simply go back to Pabbly Connect. We'll copy this webhook URL from here. We'll come back to the form and we'll paste the same webhook URL over here. Okay, and let's click on complete integration. Okay, integration is ready. Let's click on finish. Okay, and here we can see a tick mark on the webhooks option. Now, let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, first let us do a test form submission. For that, we need to go to the form again and here we have to come to this publish option. Click on it. Here we can find link to share. So this is the form link which we can share with our participants or the employees to fill up the form. So I'm just going to open this form in a new tab. So I'm just going to give the candidate name as Shikha, last name as Arya, post as Java developer. Okay, and I'm just going to select the reporting date. Let's give it as 10th of January 2022. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and all the details related to the form submission are captured over here. Okay, I'll just scroll down. Here we can find the form title. Here we can find the first name of the candidate, last name, its position as Java developer, its reporting date, month, day and year. Okay, and all other details related to the form are captured over here. But here we cannot find the current date. We want to enter the current date in the appointment letter. For that, we need to come to this action window. Open it. Here in the choose application, let us find date and time formatter. In the action event, let us select current date. So we are just going to find the current date using date and time formatter by Pabbly. Click on connect. And here we have to select the basic format. So I'm just going to select the format as DDMMYY, that is date, month and year. Include time and response. No, I don't want to include the time. So I'm just keeping it as false. And let's click on save and send. Test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and here we can find the current date. So now we want to create a Google Doc. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add action step. In the choose application, let us find Google Docs. In the action event, we have to select create document from template. So I'm just going to find, yes, this is the one, create document from template. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Docs. So it has taken us to the sign in window of the Google account. Here we have to choose an account where we have created the documents. So I'm just going to choose the account over here. Pabbly Connect Drives wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Docs are connected to Pabbly Connect. So now as the Google Docs are connected to Pabbly Connect, here we can find all the documents that we have created into our account. Okay. So here we have to select the template document. Okay, so I'll just take you to my template document which I have already created. And here the instruction is also mentioned. Choose your template document here. Please ensure at least one tag like a name in the curly braces is present in the document to make this action work. Okay, so I'll just take you to the template document. So this is the appointment letter template which I have created in my Google Docs. So here I want to use this particular template to create the appointment letters of the candidates. Okay. Here we can see the date in the curly braces, even the name, position and the report date. So these are the tags and the values of these tags are going to change according to the form submission. Okay. Here the name of the candidate will get changed, even the position will get changed and the reporting date also, and along with that the current date will also get changed. So you can add some more tags in your template according to your requirement. Okay. So let us select this particular template, that is appointment letter template here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to find the same over here, that is appointment letter template. Now here we have to select the new document's name. What should be the name of the new document? So I want the document name to be the name of the candidate. Okay, and that was Shikha. And along with that the last name also, that is Arya. Let us map Arya. And along with that I want to map the submission ID also. Okay, so I have given the document name as Shikha Arya along with the submission ID. Now new documents location, where do you want to save this particular document? The new files will be saved in your Google Drive directory. If your directory is not displayed, you can click the mapping button and enter the Google Drive folder ID yourself. So here I have created a folder in my Google Drive. Okay, and the folder name is appointment letters. So I want all the letters to be saved in this particular folder. So let us select the folder name, that is appointment letters over here. Okay. Now here we have to map the date, that is the current date that which we have received from date and time formatter. Here we have to map the name of the candidate, that is Shikha, along with the last name, that is Arya. Here we have to map the position. So let us map it from JotForm response, and the position was Java developer. And here we have to map the reporting date. So let us map it from JotForm. And we have got the dates separately. So first let us select the date. Okay, I'm just giving a dash. After that, let us select the month, that is January, and after that the year. Okay, that is 2022. Okay, so we have mapped all the fields over here. So now let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see a response is received. So now let us check our Google Drive. And here we can find a new document named Shikha Arya along with the submission ID. Okay, I'm just going to open it. Here we can find the current date. The tags are changed with the form submission. Here we can find the name of the candidate, that is Shikha Arya. Here we can find the position of the candidate, that is Java developer. And here we can find the reporting date. And in this way we can see that document is correctly created over here. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. So now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just make a form submission on the name of some other candidate now. Let us open the form in a new tab. And here I'm just going to give the candidate name as Avi, last name as Gupta, position as content writer, and let us select the date. And let us give the date as 17th of January 2022 and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check our Google Drive. Okay, let us just refresh it. Okay, and here we can find a new document named Avi Gupta _ the submission ID. Okay, I'm just going to open it once again. And here we can find the current date, name as Avi Gupta. Here we can find the position as content writer, and in the reporting date we can find 17th of January. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct documents are created in the Google Drives. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So I'm just going to minimize this trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between JotForm and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new form submission. Then we have used date and time formatter just to capture the current date. And using all those details, automatically a new document is created using the template. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between JotForm and Google Docs using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.